Spooky. Explained the situation to the man that I am a vehicle enthusiast, and obviously I'm not allowed through the gate, but they'd let me sign in and given me a high-vis jacket just so I can go over and visit. Oh look, there's a fire truck. I've been given special permission to go over and visit this amazing plane. So here I am, high-vis jacket on, looking out because he's told me everything's live and there's propellers. To go over and look at this beauty. Look at this. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to find out and look it up. But what a plane. What a vehicle. I'll probably fall over on the way over there. I've just had a nice poached egg on toast in the little cafe here, which is good. Obviously I'm not going to be able to fly it. Don't even think it's, well, it might be running still, who knows. Don't think so. It looks like it's parked up for the rest of the time, but the American military left it here, and it's here just for the American just to the cafe to have, I suppose, as a showpiece. But let's have a look at what a beauty. Oh, happy days. Now I could have gone supermarket shopping, but I had the opportunity to come. Look at that. Oh, I just want to climb up and have a look in the cockpit, but no, I can't. So I'm going to take you all the way around the plane. Make sure I don't fall over this. They did say be careful, but then he didn't realise he had dangerous Debbie looking around the plane. Look at that. Now I'd really want to polish that. Nice bit of aluminium, give it a nice polish. What a beauty. Oh, this has made my morning, this has. Ah. And it's not far from Rain Airfield. Literally just 10-minute drive down the road. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So who knows what it is? Who's going to put it in the comments? Let me know. Let me know. Look at that. Wow. Right, that's one happy girl this morning. There's the other planes. That's it.
Should have been strictly members only, but they did have to stop. Yeah.